Hi everyone, so today I'm going to unbox the JBL headphone 720BT, which is an upgrade version of 710BT. JBL has launched these earphones this year itself, and yeah, as JBL mentioned, they offer a great listening experience and have a long battery life. Headphone comes in a nice compact box. Let's open it up. So inside the box we have the headphones, one audio detachable cable and one type C cable for charging, as these supports the type C charging, which is good, and a user manual with warranty card. The headphones are made of high quality material, as you can see, and they are comfortable to wear. You can see they have controls on the right cup, which is volume up, volume down, and power button with a 3.5 mm jack for audio cable to attach, as you can use them as a wired audio also. Of right cup they have provided a jack for type C charging. It would be better if they provided the jack here so that it can be used while charging also. But yeah, JBL mentioned they do provide a high battery backup of 76 hours. So overall, after using these headphones for about 2-3 days, I would say they are comfortable, and they are premium looking headphones by JBL. They does sound great and have a long battery life. I highly recommend them if you are looking for a good headphones under 550 Indian rupees. And one more thing, JBL also provide us a app for these headphones. You can install the app from the App Store or Play Store, and there you can customize your audio as per your preference. You can choose the audio. So yeah, this is my quick unboxing and review about these headphones. You can buy these headphones via Amazon. Thank you everyone. This was a quick unboxing and a review about these headphones. If you like the content, you can hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.